are the ingredients that we need for our chicken turbo. We have here 2 chicken, 1,200 grams each, chili powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, salt, medium-sized lemon, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Let's start cooking. First step, we have to rinse off each of our pots. Powder, 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt is only 1 teaspoon because we also use soy sauce. And for the lemon and the soy sauce, we have to add it on the chicken. Make sure to spread it all over the chicken. Same thing with our lemon. Spread it on top of the chicken. Okay. Then we have to massage the chicken. Flip it over. And now for our dry ingredients, we just have to mix them all together and make sure everything is well blended. And once all the condiments are well blended, it is ready to be added on our chicken. We just have to put it on top. Sprinkle it. Spread it evenly between the 2 chicken. And again, massage. Massage the condiments into the chicken. And flip it over. Sorry for my camera, guys. I cannot focus it because I'm checking also the chicken. Okay, make sure the whole part of the chicken has marinated. And same thing with our lamb. We have to marinate it for overnight so that all the condiments will sink into the chicken. Don't worry guys, ha? My hands are clean. Okay, they are set now. Just cover them and put them on the fridge overnight. Tomorrow, I will show you how to cook it in the turbo.